Next up here, we're going to let Ross demonstrate bag drill number 4, which is
patty cake.
That's it. Super highly technical term for us here. But the idea is that he's going to swing through with a lob tick or slash, and this hand, the live hand or check hand, is set up on his chest or center line. He's going to piston that out towards the target, the bag, or whatever it is. Then he's going to retract that as he fires another slash from the backhand side. So essentially it's a slash, check, and it creates kind of that patty cake feel that we all grew up with back in the day. Well, maybe all of us, right? Some of those new kids, I don't think the new kids know patty cake anymore, do they? Yeah, probably. All right, so here he is, clockwise or counterclockwise, his choice. That's it. He's blasting all the way through and then setting up that check. Very important that we can build that coordination so that we can use the live hand, check hand, or left hand in this case, to be able to deflect, counter, stop, or do whatever it takes, right? And breathe. Good job, buddy. Okay? So that's going to be our bag drill number 4, or again, as we called it, patty cake, where you're getting that slash and that check into play.